Hey guys, welcome to the video review of the Sony WH-1000XM3. I've been using these headphones for 4 years now, and here's what I think about them. First and foremost, the audio quality, that's the main purpose of the headphones. I have to say the sound quality is great and balanced. Overall, it's not bass heavy, but there is enough bass to feel what the song was intending. But do not expect it to be ear-crushing bass, which is good if you want to hear music balanced and you want to hear all parts of the music without one part being pushed heavier than the other, which is the bass or the treble. One important quality of the headphones is its noise cancelling feature. And when I tell you it's great for city noise, plane noise, and train noise, and you can only hear the outside noise after a certain threshold, which after that point it's better for your safety if you heard it like an ambulance that's near you. But city noise and train noise is gone, which makes them great for air travel and commute and working. The build quality is great but a little fragile on the sides where I have placed green tape on. They get weak after a certain point, so I got tape over them to keep them sturdy. Cause there's a crack from wear and tear, and I don't want the whole thing to fall off. It cracked around the 2.5 year mark. The earpods are great quality too, but after a while the leather or composite material in like around 3.5 years starts falling off, with just the cushion left, which is still usable but less presentable. NFC works like a charm. Just tap your NFC device on the left ear cup where all your buttons and the 3.5mm headphone jack is. Just tap on where the NFC logo is and it will connect like a charm. And the Bluetooth connectivity is also great around the room and into other rooms depending on the material between the rooms. Wood will allow more connectivity and concrete would allow less connectivity. It also comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack, which allows for wired connectivity. Comes with a USB-C port, which is convenient, but it's for charging only, which means you can't use it for transmitting audio. The only way to transmit audio is through Bluetooth and the 3.5mm headphone jack. The battery does last 30 hours as advertised, a bit less or more depending on use case, even after 4 years. And you can get 5 hours of play time on the headphones for charging for 10 minutes. And for full charge, it's around 2.5 hours from a dead battery. The headphones come in with a built-in microphone, which is great for hands-free calling and any use case with the microphone. From my experience, you need an AUX cable with a microphone if you want the console to detect the audio, since the console does not recognize the headphone's microphone. This was tested on a PlayStation 4. In the box, there's an AUX cable included, but it does not include a microphone. You would have to rely on the headphone's microphone, which in this case does not work with the PlayStation 4. But with a cell phone and a laptop, there's no need, and it works like a charm with the built-in microphone and the headphones. And if you're wondering about the audio quality, this voiceover that was recorded using the microphone that's built into the headphones. From my experience, they're great, but you can judge from the voiceover for yourself. The noise cancelling button, which cycles every time when you press it, through 3 options, which is noise cancelling off, noise cancelling on, and ambient sound. In noise cancelling off, it allows you to turn it off, which leaves you with no noise cancelling, and it would be like a normal pair of headphones. And if you click the button again, it would enable ambient sound mode, which microphones around the headphones use for noise cancelling, and instead of noise cancelling the sound, it will bring in sound around you, allowing you to hear your surroundings, which is great if you want to hear your surroundings as well as your music or audio file. And noise cancelling, which cancels the ambient sound around you and only allowing you to hear your audio file. There are touch buttons on the right ear cup surface, which you slide up for volume up, slide down for volume down, and double tap to pause or play, slide left for previous audio, and slide right for next audio. And if you put your palm on the right ear cup, it reduces the volume of your audio file and enables the microphones, allowing you to hear your surroundings for as long as you have your palm on the ear cup. And of course, last but not least, you have your power button, which you hold for on or off and tap once while it's on to hear your battery percentage, which is accurate. Overall, after 4 years of using these headphones, I would definitely recommend them and recommend you get them as well. And thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one or whatever I do next. And check the description down below for links and video stamps. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.
Goes like a 3-beat and they will dance to the beat. Bow in hand while I eat, got the beat on repeat. Score like a 3-beat, but I let them eat.